Hi guys!
Hi guys!
We're going to Muji!
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
So, are we in heaven?
Yes, we are.
Stationary heaven?
You know it's real when you get a basket. So are you gonna like get some stuff or not? There's a reason why.
With your body, I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Discovering something.
Now, is that it?
We out here, it's hella raining. This is what happens when Californians are thirsty as fuck.
Oh no!
She almost tripped.
I want to get my shoes. Hey,
Tanya. I don't know. Oh shit. See ya. Oh shit. Hi guys. Hey. The heck is this? Wait, oh gosh, I forgot about that puddle. Can't feel my freaking hands. I was gonna say fingers. 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 Oh.
at least my shoes are clean.
Oh my gosh. My hands are numb.
Fix this.
Yeah. Hi. Hi.
There's no such thing as a little bit. Oh, for seconds, because
Where are we at right now? Buffet? What? Eat the ice cream, girl. Damn, my hair is so messed up.
that's why I have a hat on.
She's struggling to finish the ice cream because it's cold.